me.
I'm just saying.
We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a Z.
3, 2, 1, action.
Dear light.
So hello everyone, it's Savidi and I'm back for another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time. Welcome to my channel. Guys, you have seen the title of this video, so you guys know I am so frustrated and tired. I am so tired, like it makes no sense. Guys, lately I wake up from my bed and I don't even want to get out of it, and I was like, what's going on? Things going on in the world can affect you, and
you didn't show up today with HIV, AIDS, any of them deadly sexually transmitted diseases that'll make you die in 2-3 weeks. Put a cell phone light in the air. Lady, if you like water, put a cell phone light in the air. Fellas,
lights up.
Fellas, if you ain't sucking in the parking lot, put your cell phone lights in the air.
Let's be real about this.
Yeah, keep it real.
Some of y'all suspect as a motherfucker. Let's be real.
Put a hand in the air with a cell phone and then turn the light on if you special too. Who the through that motherfucking bust ass goddamn Adidas? I'll get somebody out here $1 million if they can guess who in here. I got $1 million right now if you can guess who. 4 times, Stunner, who you think? Who? Who?
I know who that is. I know who that is. Let's go. Let's go. Bounce.
I realized at that point, the energy that I was feeling was real.
what the fuck is going on with society and humans in general? Like, the willful ignorance is just ridiculous to me. It makes no sense. Guys, I thought 2021, after we've gone through COVID, that people will change, people will, you know, be more empathetic, be more sympathetic. But it's the opposite I've been noticing, and I was like, you know what? Are you guys serious right now? Like, what's wrong with you all? Like, why can't we get along? Why can't we get together? Human beings have become very selfish, and I'm so, like, I don't even want to have anything to do with humans. Like, I'm sorry.
Top of the top, top of the top. So, I guess, you know what I'm saying, social media is full of confusion. And words are often misconstrued. And to be honest with you, if homosexuals have more rights than heterosexual people, just say that. If homosexuals have more rights than heterosexual people, then just say that. Let's let that be the law. Is that the law? Because I feel like I respect gays, especially the ones who have the courage and the bravery to step out and live in their truth. You know what I mean? I respect that. I think any human being, man, walking this earth who has the bravery and the courage to live their truth unapologetically, I respect that. But that I respect it the same way if you're a heterosexual person. I respect it the same way. So I don't even see what all the hoopla about. Some of y'all motherfuckers just be up in arms and fake caring about shit just cause you ain't got shit else going on in your life for real. You dig? Ain't nothing in the world gonna make me hate nobody just because they do something different in the bedroom than I do. Ain't none of my business. Ain't none of my business. Zero. Give a damn what you doing with your dick or your ass or your genitalia, your period. I don't give a damn. Fuck, I care. Who asked me? Who asked you, motherfucker? You on my motherfucking live. What is you talking about? Ask me, motherfucker. You motherfucker feel like you can goddamn get on here and goddamn express your opinions and say what the fuck you want to say, but because people are celebrities, they just supposed to shut the fuck up? Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck is wrong with you? I mean, it's just not realistic. But like I said, man, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of respect for motherfuckers like Lil Nas X and motherfuckers like Frank Ocean, you know what I mean? Motherfuckers who step out there and live their truth. Honest with themselves, you dig? A lot of you motherfuckers out there hiding your truth. And that's the whole shit. That's what's not respectable. It wouldn't be the fact that you gay. It would be the fact that you out here fronting like you ain't. If you is, be proud. Shit. And then, I mean, it seems as though, okay, what I want people to know, from my understanding is, you get the energy that you put out there, okay? You get the energy that you put out there. I don't care who it is, like, from a male-dominated society that put out a whole bunch of energy like that, you're going to get the equal opposite energy in return. And that's why you have, you know what I'm saying, such a strong feminist movement. It's going to be overly directed in the area of feminism because of all the years that it was overly masculine. You get the energy you put out there. You can't make me homophobic because I'm proud to be a heterosexual. You can't make nobody homophobic because just because I am proud of what I am don't make me hate what you are. Period. Period, bruh. You know what I mean? You can't got... Ain't no way to tangle or twist that, bruh. Ain't no way to tangle or twist that. Ain't no hate. Ain't no hate in that, bruh. If I'm proud to be black, that don't make me hate you because you white. If I'm proud to be a man, that don't make me hate you because you a woman. Period. You know what I mean? Like, for instance, the Lil Nas X shit, the performances and video, man, I got a lot of respect for bro because, like I said, he had the courage to live his truth, but that shit ain't for me. It just ain't for me. I ain't got no bit of looking at it. I just can't look at it. It ain't for me, right? But I feel the same way, and I don't want my children seeing it either. I don't want my children seeing it. You know what I mean? Because their minds haven't developed to the place where they can wrap their minds around those type of experience and those types of visual presentations and know how to sort it out within their perception. You dig? But I feel the same way about the WAP video. I actually enjoyed the WAP video a little bit better, but I still feel the same way. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. But if you're going to have the WAP video, you're going to damn sure have the Lil Nas X video. And if you're going to have the Lil Nas X video and him living his truth, you're going to damn sure have people like DaBaby who going to speak their truth. And it ain't nothing wrong with none of it. It ain't got to be no hate. It's all honesty. It's all honesty. Everybody living in their truth. And if you can live in your truth and be honest with yourself and present yourself to the world as you are, then I got to respect that. Period. So I want everybody, man, to be peaceful, prosperous, live in your truth, be honest with yourself, and don't let nobody take you off of that. You dig what I'm saying? And fuck who don't like it.
2020 has been a bitch, yes. But did you guys see what came with 2020? And look at 2021. Seriously, what's wrong with you all? Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. Like, and it's so sad because people they just turn a blind eye to it. It's like we, as a society, have become a... Let me put it this way. I'm shocked that I'm sharing the same skin with people, with these humans.
If I was DaBaby, I'd tell them, fuck y'all. Look, I couldn't be DaBaby. I'd tell them, fuck y'all, bitch. Because he said something about some shit. Like Lil Nas is the most disrespectful motherfucker in the world. Like this nigga say he wanted to perform naked for charity. Like, bruh, they don't tell him nothing. They should be picking sides, man. You don't tell this little faggot ass nothing. That's the most disrespectful motherfucker in the world. He say he won't get naked on stage. Nigga, they got kids to watch that shit. Niggas be taking it too far. Nigga, go suck a dick on IG, nigga. Get fucked in your ass, nigga. Yeah. Trying to put that shit on all them churn, nigga. Go viral, nigga. Go suck a dick on IG, bitch. That nigga say he'll get naked for charity. And y'all talking about fucking DaBaby. This man say he won't get naked for charity in front of all these fucking churn. That nigga disrespectful like a motherfucker, Nas X. You a bitch. Nigga, go suck a dick on live, nigga. Go on turn out. Go get fucked by the other rappers in the game who like booty. Bitch, go get fucked on TV, nigga. Put a porn out, bitch. Yeah, this nigga the most disrespectful motherfucker in the game. Everybody ain't with that gay shit. The world need to know that everybody ain't with that gay shit, man. Everybody not with it. It's not cool for everybody. You can't make the whole everybody not on that gay shit. Everybody don't want to get fucked in their ass. Everybody don't want to suck another nigga dick. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody not with that shit. Everybody not with their nephew sucking. You know, you can't. Everybody not with that. You just can't put that shit on everybody and expect it to be cool. Nas X say he won't perform naked on stage for charity. You don't f him like you f DaBaby. You know, be even-sided, man. Be even-sided. You know, you don't feel that disrespect going dance naked. You don't think that's disrespect in front of boys who trying to be straight? It's totally disrespect. If I'm at awards and he go up there naked, I'm gonna drag his ass off stage and his ass. Yeah. You let a nigga dance naked in front of your children, you a crazy. Or you like too. Oscars gonna affect me. I don't give a f. I don't even know who will host the Oscars.
I told you to get emo.
I don't understand how someone that is of minority suffers discriminated against, you know. Then they turn around and attack another minority. How do you go through something and you know how it hurts, and you look around like this, damn, this hurts and I cannot take it. Then you do it to your fellow human being that is of minority. I don't understand that. I don't understand that logic. Like, I'm sorry, but it makes no sense to me, because I believe that if you've gone through something and you know how it hurts, you don't want to do that to the next person. And especially people who are religious, and I'm like, wait, in your book it says love your neighbor as yourself. So why would you turn around, look at someone and then hurt them and feel that it's okay?
Because regardless of what you talking about, how the internet and twisted up my motherfucking word, me and all my fans at the show, the gay ones and the straight ones, we turned the f up. I'm talking about my boy that was at the front of the stage, left over there by where I jumped at. Ask him, he got clips all on his shit. The whole night was recording. We were turned the whole night. My boy had the crop top on, front row. Yeah, out there in that jungle, in that water. Yeah, he out there. He's standing on the rail, got them cutting up. He know the words. I saw him. I'm rapping them with him. That ain't at the show. The show is for the niggas who paid the money and took the time out of their life to come enjoy the show. I say, if you don't got AIDS, put a cell phone light up. I say, if you ain't sucked in the parking lot, put your cell phone lights up so I could drop my next song. I wasn't going on no rant. That's called a call to action. All the lights went up, gay or straight. You want to know why? Because even my gay fans don't got AIDS, stupid ass. They don't got AIDS. My gay fans, they take care of themselves. They ain't going for that. They ain't no nasty gay. See what I'm saying? They ain't no junkies. You know what I'm saying? On the street. The hell you talking about? Then I said, if you ain't sucked rolling loud parking lot, put your cell phone light up. You know what my gay fans did? Put that motherfucking light up. Because my gay fans, they ain't going for that. They got class. They ain't sucking no parking lot. They got to get a room, a good one, 5-star hotel for them. Or goddamn, yeah, you got to wait till they go to the crib. Nigga, you ain't just finna be out here just doing no anything. Yeah, if they a fan of me, they on some big dog. We ain't just going for nothing. Even my gay fans got standards. Y'all tripping. Y'all bringing negative attention and energy upon yourselves. And the ones that's doing it is people who didn't even attend the show.
I'm sorry, but
How does that make sense?
Guys, no one gets out alive. You guys know that, right? No one gets out alive in this world. Life is already hard. Like, it's something you can win. You cannot win because at the end of the day, When nature calls, it calls. You can win at the end of the day, so why can't you make the world a little bit better? Like, seriously, in your daily life you can do that. This? Like, are you guys fucking kidding me?
Am I confused? Yes.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Annie?
No, Mom.
At this point, I'm tired of it. I'm not supporting nobody no more. I'm not, unless you're a black woman, unless you're a brown woman, unless you're a black or brown femme, unless you're a black or brown LGBT member. Bitch, I'm not supporting you. I'm not doing that. I'm not putting my neck out on the line for somebody that's gonna cross me. It's not worth it. So yeah. Boop.
I'm gonna go for now.
Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. In a way that you never could.